Hey guys, this is Boniface. I'm going to go over you how to do the next best option. Remember, the absolute best option is if you can open this link in something other than Chrome. I know for sure it opens just fine Internet Explorer. I haven't tried Firefox, some of the other browsers. I haven't tried Safari. That might work on your cell phones. You'll see in the end of this what it should look like. So that'll be a good example. But if you can open this link on something else and it just opens, boom, that would be the best option. The second best option here is following these steps here. And I'm going to walk through these in the video. And then there's also some additional ones that aren't written down that I can go over in this video too, and kind of talk to you a little bit about where to find them. Okay, so the first thing you do is you go download the simulation here, and you open a window here, and you click on the download. And then after you click download, it goes boom, and you have it down there, and you want to keep it. And it's like, what is this? It may kill your computer and kill your family, or sorry, that was really dark. Anyway, I apologize, but yeah, you want to keep it. So right down there. Okay. Now, next thing you want to do, I'll go back to here, is you click keep button lower right, and then you go ahead and open the Flash player. So here's our Flash player. Now, we've done this earlier this year. If you don't see the ads here, that means you have a ad blocker up, okay? The way to turn that up is, I don't have it on mine, but you on yours have a kind of a red shield in this box up here. And what you want to do is you want to go up here and click on the red shield, and I think you see this kind of thing that's a circle of a line through it. It's a power button. And you click on that blue power button, and it turns gray. So you're turning the ad blocker off, okay? After you've done that, you'll want to click reload on the page, and you'll have these things. These are ads. Do not click on them. The reason why we're turning the ad blocker off is it also blocks our SWF file we're trying to run here, okay? So now, after that, those appear there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and click on the SWF file, and let's see if we can find it. Okay, it's this, there's the one we did earlier this year, the SWF, here we go. So here's the one we did earlier this year, the seismic one. The one we're doing now here is this Hadley Cells and Climate one. I downloaded it a long time ago. You will have just downloaded it now. Now, what it's going to say here is you may have a puzzle piece. That's very normal. Some of you guys, if you don't see the puzzle piece here, sometimes you have to go up to the top, and in your bar, there's like another little puzzle piece there, and you need to turn on your ability to flash play up here first. And then once that's on, you may have to reload the page again, and then re-choose the file again. And then this will appear. Then you go here and you allow, and it'll briefly appear, and you think you have it. Oh, and it was gone. So, which totally sucks. But once you've allowed it, now you can just go back in here and choose the same file, and you scroll down, and here's mine here. And boom, once you get to this, you have it. That is what we want, this one right here. Now it's kind of tiny. So let's go ahead and drag our bar over, and drag our bar over. And this is what we want. Now, you don't want anything below. You don't want anything above, okay? This is what we want. These are all the controls. There's a play button here. There's the show the Hadley cells on the side. You can see them right there. They're going outward is rising. That would be like air rising up, and this would be air rising, falling downward, okay, and moving along the ground. These are the Hadley cells you drew in that previous activity, Mr. Crowfoot, the one that's called global winds, okay? So Hadley cells are there, and they're rising, and they sink, and they rise, and they sink, and they rise, and they sink. You also be turning on the precipitation one here, and notice it tells you how much rain. Notice, for example, here yellow is not much rain at all, and blue is a lot of rain, okay? So you'll be looking at how that changes throughout the year. I'm not going to go much farther than that, because you should follow the directions, which are going to tell you exactly what to do and what to write down. So get that filled in and submitted. There will also be an additional video later on, kind of going over the results, just to make sure you understand it too. So hopefully that helped.